If you're looking for a way to generate an entire novel in just a couple of minutes, then I have the perfect solution for you. I'm Patrick with Univium, and I built a automation this weekend to generate an entire novel using Google Sheets and AI. Just to kind of see if it was possible, I really kind of did it for fun, and turns out, yes, it is possible, and it has some really interesting results. And so just to kind of give you an overview of it, I started running it a bit earlier. It does only take a couple minutes, but just for the sake of brevity. But on this page, project setup, you'll enter your target word count, number of chapters, kind of your novel details right here, title, genre, and all of that. Then you'll enter your book concept, just kind of a general overview of what you want the book to be and the plot points and details. Talk about main characters if you have some characters that you want to specify. Then you can do style guidelines, writing, all of that. And once you kind of have filled out this page, it's real simple. All you do is you go up here to this button and click generate complete outline. And now I'll show you how to get this button to appear here towards the end of the video. I built this using Google Apps Script, and so it's real easy to implement though, and I have the code available for you to use. But yeah, you'll click Generate Outline. Now I've already clicked it. You can see it's running right here, and it will slowly start generating the outline for your novel. It kind of breaks it down into sections. Each chapter, it kind of breaks down into multiple sections. That way, whenever the AI is generating the actual content, it's able to kind of do it incrementally so it can focus more on the quality of the content rather than, just trying to output everything at once. It does take into context the sections coming before and after it. That way, it's able to make sure everything flows decent and whatnot as well, which I thought was a pretty neat feature I added in there. Um, so we have, let's see, we're on chapter 10 currently. It's generating 15 chapters, so it's probably going to take just another second. Um, Let me see. I might go ahead and pause this video. We'll give that just another minute to run. Look, it's already chapter 11. Give that just another minute to run, and I'll hop back on and show you how to generate that final content. All right, and so it looks like it did go ahead and generate that outline all the way successfully, and it adds in these background colors, so it's kind of easier to skim over chapter by chapter across the sections. And you can see it's pretty detailed. So at this point, you can go in there, you can review it, you can edit, adjust it, and all of that. Add new chapters, reorganize stuff. Now, but for this purpose, I'm just going to kind of leave it as is with exactly what it generated. And to generate the content, there's two steps. First, we're going to generate uh, the content with this button, which is going to put everything in the Excel spreadsheet. And the final step is publish final book, which puts everything into a Google document, makes it a lot more readable and user friendly for you to then take it from there and do what you want with it. But so generate novel content, we're going to go ahead and run that. And again, now this takes a minute as well. So I know I said in the beginning of the video, just a couple minutes. Um, Really, you could probably say this whole process takes anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. But for a, 60, 40,000 word novel, that's not too bad. Uh, you know, com compared to the alternative option. And so it's running that script right now. And so you'll see in just a second, content is going to start generating here. Um, And it has a log section too. So sometimes I like to come here and check the logs and kind of see what it's doing. It has this narrative memory that just popped up, and that kind of helps it while it's writing content. When it's writing its particular section, it knows, hey, what happened previously, and kind of is able to take that into account, kind of like it did with the outline as well. So you can see it generated this first section of the first chapter. Um, and it has the word count. It has that target word count per section, and then it has a quality score, which the AI kind of grades itself on the quality of the output. And we'll let one more section pop up here, and then I'll kind of show you the back end while this is generating. Give it just a minute. There we go. So it's saying that this is, 90, 90 is the quality score on this one, which I guess is good. And I think you may have noticed over here in this right-hand corner, there's going to be a little pop-up that kind of tells you, what percentage it is with being completed and finished. And so that'll pop up as well. And then, so while that's running, again, it does take a minute to run. I did want to go ahead and just show you kind of the back end, what that looks like. So you saw I just went to Google Apps Script right here. It's a script that's bound to the Google Sheet. And pretty much just all this code in here is what helps this, is what makes this run, makes this function. It's all pretty, I know it looks detailed, but really this is a copy paste and you have this functional and working. Um, and then for your, it does use ChatGPT, so you will need a API key for Open API, and so you'll just put that in the script properties right here, so the script can reference it. And if you are looking for this code, you want to implement this yourself, you can go to my repository, which I'll include a link to in the description. Go to Google Apps Script, go to, see what folder it is, Google Sheets Novel Generation, and this whole script is right here. You can copy and paste it directly into your sheet and you're all set and good to go. And so it's pretty straightforward. The other thing I wanted to mention, which I'll demonstrate towards the end of the video, is all these tabs, all this setup, you don't have to do that yourself. Once you put this code in the app script, if you just refresh your page, all of these tabs will generate automatically. They'll be set up for you, and it'll all be good to go. So you don't have to set up those tabs yourself. Just paste the app script and refresh. And so it looks like it's making some progress. Let's see, we're down to chapter 2 right now, so it probably will take a minute for it to run. So I'm going to give it some more time, uh, and let's see if it can make it all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back once this fully generates. You saw it was at 12% right now. So. All right, and so it did go ahead and generate, and so as you can see, we have a lot of content to work with, and it's went all the way down to the chapter 15, and it did take about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, I think, for it to go all the way through. The other day it was moving faster, so there's probably some nuance to that. Um, but so now, whenever you're ready to publish the book, all you have to do, go up here, click publish final book, and of course that'll take a minute or so to run, and it'll get published. And I do like, it marks everything that needs review, so you can go back and look at it. It marks the quality score, uh, word count, and all of that. I think the word count did come out a little bit low, about 33,000 words. I could probably tweak it to be a bit more accurate. I had requested 60,000. It has a lot to do with the complexity of the story and whatnot, in terms of how many words it generates. And so, I'd say it's definitely tends to generate less than you put, so put a little bit extra if you want to generate extra, but definitely a lot to work with. Um, I know the other day I put like 100,000, it generated something with like 80,000 words, so it can definitely do some, you know, do a lot of generation. And so, yep, it's generated and it's going to put it on. Oh, and you can tell it to reset all the sheets if you want to do a new novel. I'm just going to click no for now. But this published book tab will have the Google Doc. You go in it and it'll, have all the details, have it nice in a user-friendly format, and you can go in and do with it as you please from that point forward. So I thought this was a pretty neat automation. Again, I just did it for fun, so it's not perfect, but definitely something to check out. And so again, I'll have a link in the description to the code for the Google Apps Script. If you do have any questions, or if you'd like me to automate this for you, just leave a comment. And I do work full time as a business automation developer. So if you need any help with any other automations or implementing anything, reach out on my website, univium.com, and be sure to follow me on LinkedIn as well. Thank you and take care.